Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your bank account. First, log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet section, usually found in the top navigation bar. From there, you will see an option to link a bank account or link a card or bank. Select the bank account option to begin the process of securely linking your financial institution. Next, you will need to provide your bank's details. PayPal may offer a list of popular banks for you to choose from, or you can opt to enter your information manually. You will need your bank's routing number, which is a 9-digit code, and your specific bank account number. Double-check these numbers carefully to ensure accuracy, as incorrect details could delay the linking process or cause issues with transfers. After entering your bank details, PayPal initiates a verification process. They will send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your bank account. These microdeposits usually appear within 2 to 3 business days. Once you see them in your bank statement, log back into your PayPal account, navigate to the Wallet section, and confirm the exact amounts of these 2 deposits to complete the verification. Congratulations! Once you have successfully confirmed the 2 small deposits, your bank account is officially linked to your PayPal account. You can now effortlessly transfer funds between your PayPal balance and your bank account, making it simple to add money or withdraw funds. This secure connection allows for seamless online transactions and gives you greater flexibility in managing your finances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.